Hello friends, my name is Suhani. Today I will tell important things about the climate of India. Let's get started. And if you अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद है, so like, share, subscribe to my channel. And let me know if there is any mistake. Let me know in comment, or any doubt. Let me know in comment. Let's get started. So let's get started. Okay. The word climate refers to weather conditions of place over a long period of time. It describes the weather a place generally has throughout the year. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a certain place and time. For example, when we say that it is hot or cloudy today, we are referring to the weather of a particular place at the particular moment. But when we say that it is cold in Himalayas and hot in deserts, we are referring the climate of these places. Like hill stations have a cool climate, desert areas have a hot climate. We have already studied about the different regions of our India. We have also seen that the climate of one region is different from that of the other. Let us find out why this is so. Factors affecting climate. Location of place determines its climate. Places located near the sea have cooler climate compared to places which are far from sea. Again, places located in hills, mountains are cooler than places in the plains. Climate of place also depends on its temperature, rainfall, and direction of the wind. Living in region. Distance from the equator is also an important factor because the overall climate of a place depends on how far it is from equator. The climate of place has an effect on the life of the people, the type of clothes they wear, the kind of food they eat. This is the hill stations. Here the climate is cool. Now seasons of India. In India there are three main seasons: summer, monsoon, spring, autumn and winter. Some parts of India have two more seasons, spring and autumn. Means in India there are three main seasons: summer, monsoon, winter. Some parts of India have two more seasons, spring and autumn. Summer. The summer season in India starts from middle of March and lasts till the middle of June. The temperature rises during this time of the year and it gets very hot. May and June are the hottest months of the year. It is throughout India during these months, but mountains are cooler compared to other areas. The monsoon. Monsoon is the very fun season. Then autumn. Then autumn. Autumn is season that comes after monsoons, just before the onset of winter. It is cool and pleasant, and many trees shade their leaves together this time. Winter. The winter season begins in November and continues till February. December and January are the coldest months. The days are short while the nights are longer. It is cold throughout the India. The northern mountains and the northern plains get extreme cold, but the coastal plains have pleasant weather. Then it comes spring. Spring is the season that comes after winter, just before the onset of summer. It is neither too cold nor too hot. It is cool and pleasant season. Many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. This is the spring season in Hill Station. It's a beautiful place. Spring is the one-off season. It have the beautiful things. This is the tree and it have the orange leaves. It is the autumn season. This is the season of winter. People enjoys the snow. This sun is rising up. This is the summer season. Okay friends, hope you like this video. Bye friends. Let me know if this types of video you like in another way. Bye.